Hello, investors. Welcome to Chart Shastra, where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 95 of our 100-day price action challenge. I'm getting very excited. It's hardly 5 days away from reaching our 100-day milestone. Coming to the market action, again, there is a very good positive market day today. You can see here, right? In the morning, I thought Nifty was consolidating, but again, the closing came really strong. Look at the closing here. Almost closed at the day high. The same thing happened for the Nifty Junior as well as the large cap. Even if you look at the mid caps, you can see here, right, it has broken out of this mini flag. I'm a little bit worried here because if you see from this point onwards, from this people call it as the Trump day low, Trump candle, from the Trump candle onwards, even everything was up non-stop for the last six trade sessions. So that's where I'm little bit uncomfortable taking new positions as of now. I'm only taking very selective positions in a very small testing size. Look at the micro cap too. It was up again today almost 1%. The small cap is up 1%. Even the Nifty 500 is also looking very strong. Last few days have been a very good day for the market, but can it be really sustainable? I want the market to take a little break, at least for 3-4 days of consolidation. Then again, an up move would be perfectly all right in this situation. And again, India VIX has literally dropped to 15.8. Almost we have reached the previous VIX levels. So that's really good. But gold is not at all stopping. It's up again almost 2% in the morning. There is a very good gap up here. Looks like there is a lot of action happening in the US market. Hence, we are seeing a lot of gap up in the gold. The same thing happening on the silver too. Look at here. From this point onward, silver is up again 10%. That's very wild move. Looks like it's a lot of volatility out there in the metal space as of now. Coming to the sectoral stocks, Bank Nifty is flying high every single day, and all thanks to private bank index. Again, up almost 2% today, thanks to Axis Bank. If not for Axis Bank, probably it would have been up 1%, I guess so. But that additional move was given by Axis Bank. Even PSU banks are looking good currently. I've been noting one or two names in the PSU space which are probably trying to make for a reversal. We will look that in our 100-day price action. And coming to the IT, still it is settling as of now. Please do not touch IT space. Let it recover, let it take some time again. Auto is taking consolidation, but two-wheeler autos are really looking well, especially the Eicher Motors, TVS Motor. We will be looking their charts again. Reality, I did not expect this would sustain. Yesterday, it was up 6%, almost 6% today. Combined today's and yesterday's move is almost 6%. Let's really wait. Would it break this previous swing high? That would be very important for reality to form a new bottom. Pharma is consolidating. That's really good thing happening here. Infra is also non-stop up for the last trade 5 sessions. You can see the chart looks very distorted. This is the scenario of almost all the stocks and indices out there. FMCG is really holding up well. Probably we have might have formed a bottom on the FMCG space. Even telecom index is really doing well. Nifty Healthcare consolidating media index again, trying to form a bottom here this time. It's interesting. Let's watch and see how it goes. Metals again, as usual, they have a lot of overhead supply left here. There was a clear shock in the metal space. Coming to our daily 100 charts, Reliance again consolidating between this 1300 and probably 1100 level from a very long time. Look at HDFC Bank. Almost, I was a little bit surprised and shocked. It has made an all-time high today. That's really very good thing from HDFC Bank, and this is one of the very heavy weights. Almost it holds 13% in Nifty 50. Hence, we are seeing a very good momentum on the Nifty. If not for HDFC Bank, this would have not been a very good recovery in the Nifty. TCS almost struggling at the bottom of the chart. You can see the clear difference between HDFC and TCS. That means that private banks versus IT stocks, you can clearly notice the difference here, right? Airtel, one of the very strong charts here yesterday with a very strong gap, and today it has sustained and closed up again at all-time high. New all-time high, new 52-week high is being made by HDFC Bank, Airtel, even ICICI. See, it has reached almost its previous high. I put an alert here. I need a little consolidation here to take an entry. I usually don't take these V-shaped recoveries. SBI is also trying to form decent base here. Infosys not looking good. Bajaj Finance again, it is bit volatile. It is moving up, then consolidating. But anyway, it has always taken a supported 50-day moving average. And few shakeouts, occasional shakeouts at this light color moving average. This is 21-day moving average. But overall, well, decently acting well. Even Hindustan Unilever did not squat back. It is holding up. That's a good sign. The same thing. ITC has squatted back again. There was a very sharp recovery here. So overall, decently well. LIC needs to recover. Needs to close above this level. L&T not good. I am not a very big fan of this L&T chart right now. Kotak Mahindra, as usual, very strong. It is consolidating. It is getting tighter and tighter. Probably one more day would be perfect, and a breakout on the Monday would be fantastic for Kotak Mahindra. Sun Pharma not doing well. HCL, ignore these names, IT names. Maruti not at all participating, not doing well, very choppy. NTPC a little bit different price action here. It tried to move up again, squatted back a little bit. Probably we can call it as a healthy pullback from this level. It needs to consolidate again, form a base. Probably it can break again at this 370, 375 level. That would be interesting to watch. Ultratech looking very interesting. Even all the cement stocks are looking very interesting. Please don't ignore cement stocks as of now. I feel that something big is happening. In fact, please check out my Twitter page, which is Chart Shastra. You can find the description, link in the description. Please do. I do occasionally post some charts over there, which I'm feeling really good and confident I would be posting on the Twitter. Please follow my Twitter channel too. Axis Bank very strong. Yesterday itself, we have noticed that this was looking something like NTPC, right? We have talked this on the last previous day video, and this was a very strong gap. And today, look at here, very strong candle. Even the volumes were also high. That is why Bank Nifty was roaring today. You can draw this line, but again, long way ahead. Mahindra and Mahindra not good. Bajaj Finserv again, very good chart. Consolidating here, one of the very strong charts, just like Bajaj Finance. ONGC again a very good move, but still I don't feel confident about ONGC. Hindustan Aeronautical again forming a base here. That's a really good thing. Looks like all the defense stocks are not giving up. I'm a little bit surprised at their strength. Look at Mazdog, look at GE Shipping, really acting well. Power Grid holding up really nice. Titan, nothing interesting as of now. Very choppy chart. Adani trying to form a base. They are forming a base. So please careful. Please be careful while watching Adani stocks. But again, I don't want to lose the opportunity. If you are someone who usually is comfortable in playing reversal plays, Adani might be giving up opportunity in coming days. DMart really acting up well. I'm waiting for this space here. Let's wait and see. Wipro, nothing interesting here as of now. Adani Ports, see one of the good Adani chart. Adani Ports, even Adani Energy Solutions. Adani Enterprises not there yet, but Adani Ports is slowly recovering up. JSW still good recovery, but again, I don't want to trade a chart something like this. It's a very choppy chart. Coal India nicely forming up. Interesting. All the power stocks you can see they are buzzing up. Asian Paints again. Once again you can see very good. Looks like some form of reversal happening on the Asian Paints. Tata Motors nothing interesting as of now. Nestle is really holding up well. It is taking its time before breaking up, breaking out. That's why we need consolidation. Bajaj Auto not that great chart here. Adani, look at here. Adani Power again holding up really good. Bharat Electronics sideways. Zomato, nothing changed here. Trent, not interesting. Indigo, consolidating again. This is one of the very strong and powerful charts on Nifty. IOC, no, wow, I like this. I like this. We can simply just put instead of a sloping line. This is interesting, looking interesting. Let's wait and see how it turns out. Varun Beverages, the same thing. We can simply just make it a straight line here. Grasim, another very good start, but again, no proper entry here. I love Sri Cement, by this time already. Siemens not looking good. Tata Steel did not recover fully yet. IRFC nothing interesting. DLF not good here. Vedanta needs to close. Touch it 400, but again spotted back. SBI Life very good follow through. I like it. And HDFC, yes, this is something very strong chart. You can clearly see here, right? It hardly corrected 20% only. But for a large cap, 20% is also a decent correction. And look at here, it quickly moved up on this day. From this point onwards, almost up 12%. Really good chart on HDFC. Pidilite again trying to reverse here. Asian Paints, Pidilite, Nestle. Remember Saurabh Mukherjee? This was 2020 stocks which were buzzing a lot. Finally, the glory is trying to come back in 2025. Adani Green, nothing interesting here as of now. Divi Slab sideways. Eicher Motors, very strong name, but again a bit choppy chart. I don't want chart something like this. Probably this was a decent consolidation happened around here, but again look at here, very choppy name. Geo Finance trying to form a bottom here finally. Let's wait and see. If this swing high, which is 254, if it is taken out, we can say that the bottom has formed. Also, this looks like a double bottom, right? Double bottom breakout. Something like a double bottom breakout happened yesterday and today. Hindalco, nothing interesting. PFC going sideways. Hyundai sideways. Ambuja Cement is again coming out of this. Look at here. This was a very, very, very early entry if you are very aggressive. Again, this is a reversal play. There are much better cement stocks and charts better than the Ambuja Cement. I have again posted it on my Twitter. Please do check out. Tech Mahindra going sideways, holding going sideways. Look at Sriram Finance again, sharply coming up. Even the same thing we might be noticing on Cholamandalam too. LTIM going sideways. Chola, yes. Just now we were talking about you, Cholamandalam. See, very, very, very strong. Almost it has reached its all-time high again. See, although there was a bit of volatility happened here, but the way the fast, look at the fast, how fast it came to this previous level. So that's what we need in a chart. BPCL, just like I was building up slowly building up. Real good chart, real constructive price action happening here. Even Bank of Baroda. This was the chart I was talking about when I was showing you PSU Bank Index. Very good chart, probably for a reversal play. I don't do reversal play much because I have Kotak Mahindra, I have HDFC Bank, which are doing really well on the chart, right? Why do I need to pick up something which has a lot of overhead supply? Britannia really moving up very well, very well. Good price action. I'm getting finally some positive vibes after a very, very, very long time. Godrej Consumer Products again trying to move up. Tata Power, interesting. It needs to close above this 390 level. Lodha too came out of this base. Interesting. Yesterday and today itself, it was up 10%. Very volatile name, not at all suggested for trading, but again, interesting. TVS motor moved up again. Probably this would be the swing high which we would be testing. So let's wait and see. Gale again a good move. Trying to reach this level. This is a very very crucial level for Gale. People going in sideways. In Indian hotels trying this trying to break out this high. I need a little consolidation here. That would be perfect to watch. Torrent Pharma, nothing interesting here. Punjab National Bank, just like Baroda, I feel Baroda is little bit stronger than Punjab National Bank as of now. Free Cement, my all-time favorite stock among the cement. This has been we have been watching from this level. Very, 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 very good price action. ABB, nothing interesting. Tata Consumer, just like Godrej Consumer, really doing well. REC, not there yet. United Spirits, interesting. United Spirits almost has tested this level. It is slowly moving up, just like FMCG name. Adani Energy Solutions, the another name which I was talking about, slow recovery. I love this. I love how the chart are slowly. See, after 100 days, we are almost near to our 100 days. You can clearly see how the each bar and price is building on each day, right? Bajaj Housing Finance, really good name, trying to form a bottom here. Apollo Hospital again blasting up. Look at Narayana Hrudayala today. Look at Kim's. Look at all the hospital names. They are buzzing up a lot. Something is happening on the hospital names. Please focus on cement stocks, private banks, NBFCs, hospital names. Dr. Reddy's, nothing interesting. Havels too, again trying to recover. Lot of overhead supply. Not my usual kind of stock, but again, good to see. Strength across the board today. ICICI Lombard going sideways. JSW Energy not good. This is a weak chart. Even CG Power is a very weak chart. Zydus, down 7%. Look at the volumes, very huge volumes. Please ignore this. Not at all good chart. Bit disappointing. Jindal still trying to recover. Motherson holding up really well after yesterday's strong move. Let's wait and see. Naukri sideways. Canara Bank is also trying to move up. Look, there is finally some strength on the PSU bank. Dabur also trying to move up this 480 level. Bosch going sideways. Cypru Prudential. Interesting. Very interesting. Swiggy tightening up. Probably trying to form a base here. Almost Zomato and Swiggy look same exactly, right? Almost their charts. Hero Motocorp going sideways. INDUSIND up 7%. Yes, finally it is trying to close the gap. But again, I won't prefer INDUSIND Bank. I have really good banks. Why do I want something which has a lot of overhead supply? Probably some value pickers out there would be picking out this name. Oh, that's it for 100 days. I think we have 100 stocks. We have reached our video very soon. I hope that you are enjoying this content. See you tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.